Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today I'm sharing day 3 in my 2023 October Daily album. And so today I wanted to play with the Ali Edwards Halloween digital kit from 2022, and I'm starting with a transparency as a base. The transparency is from Michael's part of the Recollections collection for Halloween this year. And I already in Photoshop set up these 3 tags with the tag itself, photos, and a couple of digital stamps from the kit, already sized down to what I needed for this layout and printed out. And you'll notice that I added the same twine to each of them. They all have a different color, and then they all have a different photo. And so what had happened was, when I was pulling all the Halloween decorations out, I found this witch hat and the little silly cat glasses, and I was just being silly, and I put them on and wore them around the house while I was pulling the Halloween decorations out. And so it was just kind of cute and funny. So just a reminder to you to get yourself in your albums. Be silly, put on some fun costumes, and let yourself have fun. Photograph yourself and get yourself in the albums. And so I've kept this really simple today, just the 3 tags. I'm a little short on time at the end of this week, and that's okay. That happens, and I'm still kind of trying to figure my way in this album. I haven't quite gotten in the groove yet, and that's okay. For me, it takes about 5 to 10 days to feel like, oh, I'm starting to get a feel for the vibe of this album. I have to say that so far, I'm loving it. I love this album. I love the stories that I already have been working on, capturing photos for, and the stories I've already gotten in the album. I'm loving the aesthetic of this album, and I hope you are too. So once I got everything printed and got the tags adhered to the background transparency, then I added my journaling in the clever little journal spots at the bottom of each tag. And I also added a little bit of stamping. The stamp sets that I was using are older ones from Studio Calico Documenter kits and Studio Calico Traveler's Notebook kits. And then I had printed out the little circles, and so I used those to kind of create a very definitive visual triangle here on the page. And right now I'm digging through 3s for the day number to try to figure out which 3 I want to use. I know I want to put it down here at the lower left hand corner with the moon and star circle bit, and it's just a matter of which one fits in. Do I want to cover up the body of the spider that's on the transparency, or do I want to sort of not cover it up? I don't know yet. So I went through a bunch of options here. I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing the process that I went through just to pick a number 3. And in the end, I just went with the one that I had chosen at the beginning, which is the little black and white star 3 from Vicki Boutin. I've been loving using those numbers for October Daily. So they were designed for December dailies and December albums, but they've been awesome here. And the reason that I finally ended on the 3 in the star was that I realized I had these chipboard stars from Studio Calico, and I could have the star with the 3, and then I could repeat the star shape across the layout as well, and that worked out perfect. So a very simple layout today. I'm going to call it done. I can't wait for tomorrow to see what I'm going to do on the back of that transparency. I hope you'll join me then. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll let me know you're here, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you back here again very soon. Bye-bye.